Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Today we will solve the question of write a Java program to check whether a number is even or odd. But before solving the problem, you have to think in the mathematically how to solve the problem this. So let's suppose if you have a 10 and you want to check your number is even or odd. What you need to do, you just divide by 2 and check if it's divisible by 2 properly, then it is called a even number, else it is a odd numbers. But how to achieve this in program? So let's implement this. So this is the our class, even odd. For that, need a main method first. A control space and the so main after main method, what you need first of all you need a one variables int number is equal to take a 20, and after taking the variables number that is a 20, and I have to check this it is even or odd. So for that our logic is, first of all, you need a condition that is a if number percentile. The percentile is a assignment operators is equal to percentile 2. Means the number should divisible by 2 and is equal to 0. But means when you are mathematically solving the uh, problem, then you have to not getting any values inside the what you say in English. In Hindi, we will say the sesfal, which is not getting. So just write this out. Number that is your number which is given here now. That number should first print, then plus to concatenate a given number is uh, even number even. What if not? So you have one more keyword that is else with the block and this out again number plus given number is odd. Our program is done now. Let's run it. See, 20 is a given number is a even. What if it's 9? Let's say it's 9 and run it. See, 9 is a given number is odd. You can write directly 9 is odd number. Now you will get the proper response. And here also write the same thing. Even number. Let's run it. Yeah, 9 is odd number. As you can see here, we are creating the block, if block. This is the if block. So I'm telling you the one shortcut, that is, if we have a one instruction means one line only. This is the one line. Okay. Inside of if block, then you don't need to write this block. Just remove this, same as the else. Remove this. See, there is no error. Run it. When you have a more than one instructions like this, let's suppose this out. Hello. Okay. Then see here, you will get the error because you have the two instruction. Then you have to add the this block. If block, you have to write. See, error is gone. If you have a one, you don't have to write it. That's all about in this video. Next video will solve the another problems. Thank you for watching Tech Unbox with Anas.